gadget of laughter is free of cost, easy to receive, and you don't have to move to buy it from any medical store. It's in your own hands. Someone says that laughter is the language of soul. Dear audience, there are a lot of benefits of laughing, such as it reduces heart diseases, it's a natural painkiller, improves breathing, helps you lose weight, decrease stress, and make you more younger. A happy and cheerful person is always welcomed in friends and fellows. In the end, I would like to request you all to laugh as much as possible. There are various ways to do laugh, such as crack jokes, watch comedy films and shows, try to spread some positivity and make people laugh. It is a blessing if you have the ability to make others laugh. If you laugh, it may not add ears to your life, but will surely add life to your ears. Thank you all for lending ear.